Today, we're comparing the Apple iPhone 15 and Apple iPhone 15 Pro. Let's start with the Apple iPhone 15. This phone is a marvel of modern technology. It boasts a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, which is both vibrant and sharp with a resolution of 1179 x 2556 pixels. This display supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, ensuring that your visuals are always top-notch. However, it comes with a standard 60 Hz refresh rate. The phone's body is meticulously crafted with a glass front and back, protected by Corning-made glass, and framed in sleek aluminum. It's not just about looks. The iPhone 15 is also IP68 dust and water resistant, ensuring durability in various conditions. When it comes to capturing moments, the iPhone 15 doesn't disappoint. It features a dual camera setup, a 48MP wide sensor, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. You can record videos in 4K at varying frame rates, and the cinematic mode adds a professional touch to your recordings. Powering this device is the Apple A17 Bionic chip, ensuring smooth performance across tasks. The phone runs on iOS 17 and offers multiple storage options, with up to 512 GB available. And for those long days, its Li-ion battery supports fast charging, getting you 50% in just 30 minutes. Stepping up the game is the Apple iPhone 15 Pro. Like its counterpart, it features a 6.1-inch display, but with an LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED panel. This not only supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, but also offers a smoother 120 Hz refresh rate. The Pro variant is slightly heavier, with a weight of 187 g, and is framed in a robust titanium frame. This phone also boasts an always-on display feature, ensuring you're always a glance away from your notifications. And of course, it's IP68 certified, making it resistant to both dust and water. The camera department is where the iPhone 15 Pro truly shines. It houses a triple camera setup, a 48MP wide lens, a 12MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide sensor. Additionally, it features a TiVo 3D LiDAR scanner for depth sensing. Video enthusiasts will appreciate the ProRes and 3D spatial video recording capabilities. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 Pro is powered by the Apple A17 Pro chipset, coupled with up to 8 GB RAM and a whopping 1 TB storage option. It runs on iOS 17 and offers advanced connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 6E. Choosing a winner between the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro is tough, but the Pro takes the crown. While both phones are exceptional, the iPhone 15 Pro edges out with its advanced camera system, smoother 120 HD display, and superior chipset. The added features like ProRes video recording and an always-on display make it worth the extra investment. However, the choice ultimately boils down to individual needs. If you're a photography or videography enthusiast, the Pro is your best bet. But for everyday users, the iPhone 15 offers incredible value and performance. Thanks for tuning in to Device Battle. With you was Hannah, your phone comparison guru. Stay savvy.